a quick video about productivity in Quest 3 versus the Apple Vision Pro. So things that I can do on the Meta Quest 3 that I couldn't do on the Apple Vision Pro. Ironically, Meta supports with their Quest 3 headset and also the Quest 2 headset multiple keyboards, including Microsoft, Logitech, and Apple Magic Keyboard. Let me just go to the VR mode. I can see my real hands on the real keyboard. So that's one thing that Apple won't let you to do. So that's weird to me because right now I don't have, it's not the exact same model of the Microsoft keyboard, but as you can see, it is tracking my keyboard, my real keyboard, even in VR, so I can stay productive and I can move my keyboard and put my hands over it. And if you've got the right model of Microsoft keyboard or Apple Magic keyboard, it will work flawlessly. So that's one thing that Meta allows you to do in different apps. So this is immersed because I don't like Meta's productivity Workrooms app because it doesn't support Linux. Right now, I'm using Linux here. So Immersed supports Linux, Mac OS, Windows, you name it. So that's kind of amazing. So just like on the Apple Vision Pro, I can bring a huge screen here. I can do multiple screens. I can see my computer. I can, take and write down some notes, blah, blah, blah. And in AR, I'm using my keyboard. Let me just get rid of this keyboard. I can, and let's say that I don't have the right model of the tracked keyboard that's supported by Meta. I can create an AR portal so I can stay in this virtual environment. Let's go to something more fancy or nicer. I can go to rooms. Let's take something. Voila. Now I can obviously hide screens and enjoy the view. I can change seats. For example, I want to go as near as possible to the windows and enjoy the view. As you can see, this is an amazing place to work without leaving my actual home, so I can stay focused. So I covered the issues with keyboards, even when you go into immersive mode, because people who are working or trying to work and stay productive in Apple Vision Pro, even when they dial the reality, the digital crown, they say that they can't see their keyboard if they go 100% immersive mode. So that's something that Apple should do. They should start with tracking their own Magic keyboards and then maybe add different keyboards, different models, and support Logitech, Microsoft, and stuff, and other manufacturers. But they have to start with Magic Keyboard because that's what most of the Apple Vision Pro users have. Number two, multiple windows. I can go ahead and launch the MetaQuest browser, right? Anyways, as you can see, this is a browser, and this is also a browser. This is an AR application, a YouTube application, official application for the MetaQuest 3. So once again, this is the second bullet point I wanted to introduce. The third thing that Apple Vision Pro kind of needs is multiple spaces. Now on the MetaQuest 3, I can actually set up multiple spaces. So if I go to settings, let's go and dive into physical space. I can go ahead and say space setup. So as you can see, I've got already set a layout for my living room. So when I leave this room, my home office, I will get different environment for my physical space, which is my other room. So now let's say that I want to set a new one, and I just go and say new one. As you can see, I can see through the wall the living room there, over there, outside this room. Okay, so create a new space. And right now, all I have to do is just scan around. So I can start scanning, and as you can see, it's creating a mesh of this room. And eventually, once I'm done, I can say, yes, this is the new room, and I can say complete, and then it will remember this room. Exit yes. So then I will see multiple rooms here, so I can go drive to my office and set, a new custom environment. So this is something that we need on the Apple Vision Pro, so people can stay productive, and some user experience issues that people have now will be solved. So that's all for today.